Hello, fellow humans. This is Ronaldo the Cringe Master with another video. Sorry if you hear some background noise. A family member is watching math-pod videos, like game theories, like just a theory, a game theory. Like I was saying, today is a food review video because I poured me a drink of orange juice, plus orange juice plus circuit, and there's already some orange juice here in the here. I don't know if you see it, and I am going to drink it on this food review and give my opinions on this juice. So let me do that. Now I'm going to drink. Oh, let me find the right moment. It tastes pretty sweet. A little bit of drip. It's like really juicy, but sweet at the same time. I definitely can taste some orange in this. That was actually pretty good. I give it like a 8 out of 10. Do recommend. That was my review on this orange juice. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you all in the next video. Goodbye for now.